Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something that could completely change how you approach your health after 40. It's called muscle-centric medicine, and trust me, it's a game changer. So, what is it? For a long time, the conversation around aging and health has been all about weight loss and fat reduction. We've been told to focus on the number on the scale. But what if we've been looking at it all wrong? Muscle-centric medicine flips the script. Instead of just focusing on losing fat, it puts your muscles at the very center of your health strategy. Think of your muscles as the powerhouse of your metabolism. They are the largest endocrine organ in your body, meaning they produce and send out molecules that communicate with your other organs. The more healthy muscle tissue you have, the more efficient your body becomes at managing blood sugar, burning calories, and even fighting inflammation. After we hit 40, we naturally start to lose muscle mass. This process, called sarcopenia, can slow down our metabolism, make us more prone to insulin resistance, and increase our risk for conditions like type 2 diabetes and heart disease. It's not just about looking toned, it's about having a robust, functional body that can support you for decades to come. So how do you put this into practice? The two main pillars are resistance training and protein intake. You don't have to become a bodybuilder overnight. Start with simple body weight exercises like squats and push-ups, or use resistance bands. The goal is to challenge your muscles consistently. And when it comes to diet, prioritize protein. Aim to get a good portion of protein with every meal. This feeds your muscles the building blocks they need to repair and grow stronger. It's not about restrictive dieting. It's about fueling your body for strength and vitality. Shifting your focus from just losing weight to actively building muscle is one of the most powerful things you can do for your long-term metabolic health. It's about building a stronger, more resilient you from the inside out. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more tips on thriving after 40. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.